Siffat Sabootiya. In order to understand Tawheed clearly, the attributes of Allah have been grouped as positive and negative. The positive attributes which are befitting Allah are called Siffat Sabootiya. There are many in number, but 8 of them are usually listed. Qadim, eternal. Allah has no beginning because there has never been a time when He was not there. So He wasn't born, and He has no end, because there will never be a time when He will not be there. We are born, we grow up, and we die, because we have a beginning and an end. But Allah is beyond any time limit.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
He is the first and the last, the most high and the most near, and He is the all-knower of everything.
Qadir, omnipotent. Allah made everything and has power over everything and everyone. There is no one and nothing stronger than Him. He is the strongest.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
His command is only when He intends a thing that He says to it, be, and it is.
Hey, alive forever. Without Allah, nothing can survive in this world. Allah looks after everything and everyone. He makes sure everything works properly. When we die, we will return to Allah.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and He is the exalted in might, the forgiving.
Alim, omniscient. Allah knows everything. Nothing can be kept a secret from Him. He knows what you whisper, think, shout, when you're good, bad, happy, sad, or etc.
يعلم خائنة الأعين وما تخفي الصدور.
He knows that which deceives the eyes and what the breasts conceal.
Murid, under no compulsion. Allah has His own discretion in all affairs. He does not do anything under compulsion. Allah made everything and everything belongs to Him. He can do whatever He likes without having to ask anyone.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
He is not questioned about what He does, but they will be questioned.
إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Indeed, Allah does what He wills.
Mudrik, can see and hear. Allah has no eyes or ears. However, there is nowhere that you can hide where Allah cannot see you. There is nothing that you can say which Allah cannot hear, even if you whisper ever so softly.
عالم الغيب لا يعزب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين.
Allah is the knower of the unseen. Not absent from Him is an atom's weight within the heavens or within the earth, or what is smaller than that or greater, except that it is in a clear register.
Mutakallim, master of speech. He can create speech in anything, as He did with the pebbles, when the people asked Prophet Muhammad to prove that he was a prophet. He also changed Prophet Musa's stick into a snake.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
That day we will seal over their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will testify about what they used to earn.
Sadiq, truthful. Allah never lies, and He always keeps His promises.
وعد الله لا يخلف الله وعده ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
It is the promise of Allah. Allah does not fail in His promise, but most of the people do not know.
It is impossible to fix any limits to His attributes. This list is not exhaustive, but is essential to understand the glory of Allah. The attributes are not acquired, but inherent in the conception of divinity.